All right, this video here is all about Gelatide Drops reviews. It's a little dropper bottle. It's called Gelatide, and it has scam marketing going around with the product. I have seen some of the scam marketing myself. In fact, I've made another video about this before. I want to make another one to try to warn people to stay far away from this because this has a lot of red flags. I'm not calling the product a scam. I'm saying there's a lot of scam marketing out there. And I'm going to show you what I mean because you probably saw some of this. I'm going to show you what I saw, and maybe you saw the same Today Show looking stuff too.
The controversial pink gelatin trick Kelly Clarkson used to go from XL to XS is going viral on social media. Pay close attention for the next 32 seconds because Dr. Oz is about to share the recipe.
The real pink gelatin recipe, Kelly Clarkson.
And just before I continue, hit the like button down below. That can help my video get up there in Google and YouTube search results so that people can find my video and avoid this scam. It had Jenna Bush Hager and it went to Dr. Oz, right? And talked about a gelatin recipe. And so this Gelatide product, it's called Gelatide. People are looking around for Gelatide reviews, Gelatide Drops reviews, Gelatide Dr. Oz, Gelatide for weight loss. This is a product that has all the makings of being a scam. And Dr. Oz never talked about this, nor did Jenna Bush Hager, nor did anyone else famous you might see in this video. The depictions you saw of those famous people are deep fake AI generated depictions, meaning manipulated lip movement with AI generated audio. That's what deepfake technology is. And you might be wondering, well, how come they're not going to try to sue them or take this down? Where are their lawyers? How is this allowed? This is unfortunately the lives we're living right now in the world we're living in. This is what is allowed, and there's not enough regulation with the internet, and that's just the way things are. So Gelatide Drops. You might be wondering, well, does it really work? What's the gelatin recipe? There is no gelatin recipe. That's a hook to get you to watch this long video you see here. That's all this is. It's a marketing term that marketers came up with, scammers came up with to basically try to get you to watch this whole video because they want you to think, oh, the recipe is going to be revealed at any moment now. And it never was. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed Gelatide Drops or this gelatin recipe idea ever. This is a big hoax going around with scams right now that there's a gelatin recipe for weight loss, and it's just not true. Marketers, scammers, whatever you want to call them, keep using it because they, I guess, are seeing sales from this. And who's profiting from this? I'm assuming the company. And isn't that just lovely how all that works together?
Kelly Clarkson used to lose 60 pounds is not the one being shared all over social media. That version simply doesn't work. Today, I'm going to show you the correct version, a version that's up to 3 times more powerful than Mounjaro. So head to Walmart and grab a simple box of gelatin because Kelly Clarkson is about to show you exactly how you can make this recipe at home starting today.
I learned this recipe during a $3,000 private consultation with Dr. Oz back when he was working as an endocrinologist in Hollywood. This is the same recipe my friends Oprah and Rebel Wilson used to melt fat fast. Honestly, it's almost impossible to start this recipe today and not lose at least 15 pounds. It was the best thing I ever did because I didn't feel comfortable in front of the cameras anymore. I was hiding behind loose.
All right, so I stopped it. That's all we really need to watch. This is something where, again, they're using AI technology to make it look like Oprah and other people, other celebrities had gelatin recipes going on in their like houses or whatever, but they never did. And this Gelatide product, Gelatide Drops, don't buy it. That's my recommendation. This is likely coming from Brazil. Another scam coming from Brazil where they're trying to fool people into spending a lot of money that might come with a subscription of hundreds of dollars a month. The money back guarantee won't be honored. The product won't work. The celebrities that you saw there never endorsed it. It's all bad and terrible. Like, comment, subscribe. This Gelatide scam that is going around with this marketing, this deep fake marketing, stay far away from it. Go see a doctor. Gelatide Drops. Don't buy this. If you have any other questions, let me know down below. And if you see a gelatin recipe anywhere online, you're like, oh, I found the recipe. There is no recipe with gelatin for weight loss. That's something that is a hoax. It is a marketing scam. That's all that I got. Thank you so much for watching.